Hello students. Now today in the statistics, yesterday we have started probability. Now today let's see that exercise 1.1. Yesterday we have seen that what is sample space. Sample space, that means total outcomes of the given experiment or event, that is called as sample space. Now let's see the first sum. State the sample space for the following random experiment. In that first one is balanced coin is thrown 3 times. मतलब ये एक कॉइन है, फॉर एग्जांपल ये 1 रुपीज़ का कॉइन है, इसमें इसको हम 3 टाइम्स अगर हम टॉस करें, फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैव टॉस दैट कम्स हेड, अगेन कम्स हेड, अगेन कम्स हेड। ये हमें अपनी तरह से सोच के इसका सैम्पल स्पेस बनाना है कि कितने कितने पॉसिबल आउटकम्स आ सकते हैं। देन आफ्टर दूसरी बार हमने टॉस किया तो अगेन हेड आया, दूसरी बार भी हेड आया, फिर टेल आया, राइट। फिर हमने टॉस किया, हेड आया, टेल आया, फिर अगेन हेड आया। इसी तरह से सोच के हमें ये पॉसिबल आउटकम्स लिखने हैं। सो दैट पॉसिबल आउटकम्स दैट इज़ कॉल्ड एज सैम्पल स्पेस। तो फर्स्ट टाइम वी हैव टॉस, इट कम्स ट्रिपल हेड, देन कम्स हेड हेड टेल, again we have tossed, then comes head tail head, then again we have tossed, then comes tail head head, then head tail tail, tail head tail, then tail tail head, and then तीनों बार tail. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 possible outcomes that we will get when we thrown a balance coin 3 times, right? Now the second one, a balanced die with 6 sides and a balanced coin are tossed together. एक तो एक डाइस टॉस करना है कॉइन, कॉइन में पॉसिबल आउटकम्स दो आएंगे, हेड एंड टेल, एंड डाइस में 1 2 3 4 5 and 6। तो हम पहले अगर ये कॉइन टॉस करें तो हेड आएगा, डाइस टॉस करें तो 1 आएगा, अगेन वी टॉस अ कॉइन, अगेन कम्स हेड, अगेन कम्स 2। ये तीनों के साथ एक बार हेड आएगा और ये तीनों नहीं, सॉरी, ये 1 to 6 के साथ दूसरी बार ये टेल आएगा, राइट। सो देर आर 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 and then 12 possible outcomes that we will get when we toss a balanced die and a balanced coin. Now the next, 2 persons are to be selected from 5 person A B C D E। इसको हम इस तरह से भी कर सकते हैं 5C2। NCR आपको पता है, N मीन्स नंबर ऑफ गिवन ऑब्जर्वेशंस एंड R मीन्स सिलेक्टेड ऑब्जर्वेशंस। 11th में हमने ये करा था। So here we convert this statement into this symbol also, that 5C2. This equation, that this we have learned in the 11th standard, how to solve this equation 5C2, that n factorial upon r factorial in bracket n minus r factorial. You solve this, right? Whatever answer you get for solving this equation, we receive the number of observations saved. So here we have assumed A, B, C, D, E, 5 persons. From these 5 persons we have to select any 2. So first of all we select AB, then we select AC, then we select AD, and then we select AE, right? Then after we select B and C, B and D, then B and E. जो रिपीट हो रहा है वो हम नहीं सिलेक्ट करेंगे। Then after C, CE, CD comes. So then after D, DE, because AD comes, BD comes, BC comes, B. So only one is left, that is D and E, right? Okay, this is our first sum. Now the second sum, that is write the sample space for the marks in integer scores by a student appearing for an examination of 100 marks and state the number of sample point in it. We have to select sample space from the number of students from the 100 marks। मतलब 100 अगर मार्क्स है So we can give marks score from 0 to 100. Highest anyone score, that is 100, and lowest anyone can score, that is 0. So 0 to 100, that is our sample space. Do not write down whole numbers. 0, 1, 2, 3 dash 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 100, that's it. Then the fourth one, that is write the sample space for the randomly selected one minister and one deputy minister from 4 persons. Now see, here 4 persons are given, so n is equals to 4. From these 4 we have to select any 2 persons, so r is equals to 2. So 4c2, simplify this, so you will get 12. That means you have to set out 12 possible outcomes for the selection of these 2 persons. And C2 simplifies result, that comes 12. मतलब यहाँ पे आपको 12 outcomes लिखने के हैं. So that is your exact answer. Here also assume 4 persons as A, B, C, D. Now start selecting from any two, AB, AC, AD. Then after BC, BD. Then after CD. Then after BA. Then after CA. The outcome which is repeating, that do not write down. Then DA, then CB, then DB, and then D and C. Then the next sum number 4th, that is a balanced coin is thrown in the random experiment till the first head is obtained. The experiment is terminated with the trial of first head. Write the sample space of this experiment and state whether it is infinite or finite. मतलब इसमें क्या कहना चाहते हैं, दैट कि जब तक हेड नहीं मिले तब तक हमें कॉइन टॉस करते ही रहना है. दैट इज़ द मीनिंग ऑफ दिस सम. तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल एक ही बार में हमको हेड मिल गया, सो दैट इवेंट इज ओवर. नाउ द सेकंड इवेंट, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी गेट टेल, देन आफ्टर वी गेट हेड. सो सेकंड इवेंट, दैट इज ओवर. नाउ द थर्ड इवेंट, फर्स्ट वी गेट टेल, सेकंड वी गेट टेल, एंड देन वी गेट हेड. सो एक्सपेरिमेंट इज ओवर. देन द नेक्स्ट इवेंट, टेल आया, अगेन टेल आया, देन हेड. सो this event is also over. So we have to continue this, so on. So this is infinite experiment or infinite, this is called as infinite sample space or infinite experiment. Write the sample space for the experiment of randomly selecting 3 numbers from the first 5 natural numbers. First 5 natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have to select any 3 numbers. So make a equation that 5C3, total numbers are 5, that is given. From this we have to select any 3. 5C3, if you do simplification of this by applying that formula of factorial, you will get 10. That means you have to set out 10 possible outcomes in this sample space. So first of all 1, 2, 3, then 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 5, right? So you set out according to the numbers given, set out only 10 outcomes. So this is how we can prepare sample space. So write down all the 5 sums in your notebook. So this is your homework for today. Solve this again by yourself only and write down this in your notebook, right? Okay. So that's all for today.